Hello everyone, I'm Kevin, and this is The Real Way to Make Money Online. So I'm going to do another design here, all text, and to get people ready for Valentine's. That's the next big, not really a holiday, but event, whatever, for t-shirts. I did some quick looking on Etsy and merch. And there seems to be a popular saying, and there's two fonts. That's one font family that should work good for Valentine's Day. I found my Valentine, and I found my Valentine hearted. And I'm pretty sure I got these on Creative Fabrica. I've had it for a while, so maybe before that. So here, gonna need to change it to white. It's got breaking. Next would be hearts and, was it breaking hearts and blasting farts? So we'll do. What's going on? There we go. And now we'll switch to the other font, the hearted. Oop, missed the F. Okay. I think that can be bigger. The bigger you can make it, the better. I found out when you double tap, it goes back to the move tool. Why it breaks away, I don't know. 219.2, so we'll switch this to 219 and call it even. Okay, so it's technically the same font all the way through, except the heart one has these. But that's kind of boring, and who likes boring? I'm going to convert these to curves, then ungroup them. Okay, now if they're ungrouped, this is going to seem weird. I'm going to add them back together, because what I want to do is separate these hearts from their respective letters. See here, you can see the heart belongs to the letter S. This heart belongs to the letter H. So if I change the color, it changes both. And then Control Z, because I don't want that. So I'm going to select all these, add them, and then divide. And I don't know why this happens, but this happens on a lot of different fonts. It fills in the holes on these letters, so you want to click on the heart there, then find a space on the letter, hold shift, click again. You'll see the heart is above the E, which is what you want. Just click subtract and it goes away. And do it again for the A, hold shift, subtract. I'm gonna have to do it again for the A on farts. So now I've got my hearts all separated and I can select them. Flip to my color wheel here. And now I've got red hearts. And then select them all again and group them, so they can all be moved together if you need to move them again. Let's see, and then we're going to do the same thing to farts. Right click and ungroup. And add, divide, just like you're in school again. And yes, the A did it, so it helps to zoom in, and I'm zooming in by holding Control and plus, so you can find a nice spot on the A and subtract. Control 0 goes back to full screen. So get our hearts here. And the last one. Get the color picker to get the same color red. And that's that. You can do the same thing to change the color on the eyes here, or there is a faster way. Well, let's group these. Pop on over to this is the pixel persona. It's kind of like working in Affinity Photo or Photoshop. Oop, gotta get on the right layer here. Breaking. Delete. And blasting. Oop, I missed a spot. Good. Then back to the designer persona. Hearts is up top, so come here. Let's take this one here. Hold down Alt and drag. I still missed that spot. I could see a little tiny white dot right there. Oops. Oh, I gotta find that. Not there, must be here. Nope. Haha, there it is. Move it over, down a little. There we go. Actually, I want this outside the group. Hold down Alt. Ooh, I hold down I held down Windows. So let's Control Z. Put that back. Hold down the right key, Alt. Down to our other eye. And I'm using the arrow keys to make the small moves. And now they match too. And that adds a little color to the design. And I think that's it. I've used these for quite a few designs. I uploaded probably 20, at least 20, and used mostly these two fonts. And I can pause and check, see if it's on Creative Fabrica. Okay, I've checked over on Creative Fabrica and it is there. And it's a duo, so the hearted one comes with it. And I'll drop a link to this in the description below. It's a pretty good font, and on some of them I even like I would convert this to curves, copy this A, delete that one, and drag the copy right back up because I like that A. But this one, I just left it. I just had an idea. Where's farts? Over here. Why would we have red farts? Green or brown? Green look better, but brown match. Let's look. But brown doesn't really show up well on the black. There we go. The final touches. Brown would work a lot better. Just worried they're hard to see. So that's it for this week. If you like what you saw, leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.